pro ho hi ka pha na awi makhanga jei le ka shi ji jinga ning ga dong la thot ka chi da manga jei mana la machine sha kha tui ja mati remake up da ajewi khamadaya baobing Assam Sarkar na district madili Manipuri hi associate official language sa da recognize sa ka vai propose sa haira Manipur chief minister na maya khangai phongshok haira Nepal Shankar Ramzat Kasa Indian Thrada Mati bus accidentally thi haira. Lake Yang Thor, Ajay the Dangkul Express we bow in Jishan Kui in a Bami Dale, bobbing may sign at Nang Rumsa. Assam Sarkar na Manipuri hi associate official language sa da districts madili recognize sami khawai propose kasali Manipur chief minister N Biren Singh na maya khangai phongshok haira amendment bill introduced sa khami wiwang Assam chief minister Himanda Biswa Sarma li CM Biren na ningshi phongshok ka Assam Sarkar we tui lab jina state chili khalai Manipuri community we ngashan gala atui aranga khami phekar ngasaya da Biren na maya khangai phongshok ka 2024 Assam Official Language Amendment Bill ji State Assembly li achahon thang Parliamentary Affairs Minister Pijus Hazarika na Chief Minister Sarma we mathun ina misang haira Bill Jina Assam Official Languages Act of 1960 li khangajay khwirada Manipuri hila Assam District Madili Associate Official Language sada sangmi khawai khangran na District Madiji Gajar Karimganj Hailakandi kala Hojai hibing hina Nepal Shankar Ramzat Kasa Indian Thrada Madi bus accidentally thi haira Resort Town Bokra Wena, Capital Kathmandu Shongwao Kita Zatkasa Bus Ji, Tanahun District we Highway, Aina Bahara Shongfu Wena, Marsyang Di Gongli Dazang Haina Ji. BTI Bawati Shurda, Bus Jili Kari Katawa Zangda, Mihang Madida Gatum Zang Sai. Jiwing a Jaili Tarada Maditi Hao, Tarada Turuk Sazi Hawa. Bus G Amaidiren meters Shaka Hampanga Shika Wena Gong Tuilagina Legasa Marsyang Di River Jili Dagzangna Indian Duris Bus G Korakbur Wena Kavana da Hanga Kari Jiwi number plate la Uttar Pradesh Wina Indian passengers Pingji Pokhara Likhale Macheri Resort Li Shimjun Sagasana Manipur Likhale Oguti Wiji May Twigji Payar Railway Tongsem Gubgiji Haira Chiribam Imphal Railway Line we akai ka sada semda khlai hakla ka high project ji ajugum da traha ka chang gup sang haura jidale meters shaka hangmati da akha ka chui thong ji kilometer shaka tharada akha railway line ling sunda Manipur we capital in a national rail network connect sami gi ga jina ji gup ka hai tharan state we lansin rin re ka sang ha ka sang le hakla kai na gutom khami nga sara da jihan dale Tongji Iringong Maganda Kumjiena Grong Wan Kung Madak None District Li Kalena Northeast Nabawati Shurda Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh na Project Jiwi Kashok Zang Maram Railway Board we mi bingli awi Secretariat Li Krajan Sahay Rajia Kazip Jili Madaila Gaina Jiribam Imphal Railway Line we Maram Ngasan Hay Raji Kazip Jiwi Thili Infrastructure Railway Board member Anil Kumar Khandelwal Kala awi dim na dubul aina noneli railway project ot kasa inspect vasaya inspection jina Gorkha Derriers Kala Armed Forces nangashik da infrastructure projects li yang sang mi da khalai jitheya ji Jiribam Imphal Railway Project Aman Crore Ting Tharada Mati Shagathum Magda Khani Gagawi Original 2023 target League Saji Kaban Le Hauda Ara 2025 Kumbai Gupsangra da Leya Manipur we Baide Mar MLA Gutumna, Kuki Zo the Gaza Dermli Mamaya Kangai Ninga Kurik Pungshok Haira. Legislative Assembly members Thanlon ACW, Vungjakin Valde, Dibai Mukwi, Mursanglur Sanade Gala, Kreli Director General of Police Agasa, Churachandpur MLA, LM Khaude, Atumna Atomi Community Psychoruivang, Inclusive Sakmay Mingposhijin Sakangai Pungshok Haira. PTI Bauti Shurda, Vungzagin Valdena, Ahi Zomi Community we, Paide Schedule Drive now na da Majud Sai. Valdena Gahang, Atumi Historical Cultural Kala, Social Identity we bang, Zomi Gajihina Ngayi Me Tuya. Kukizo Gajihi Inclusive Masamana, Kala Kukizo Gajihi, Ane Minginin Sami Dakle, Tribes Natate the we, Nkaikan Gahai Majud represent Masato Waji. Atumi Majud define Gasa term G inclusive sada backgrounds Natate the Kale, G detain a year the Valdena Pongshoga. Jidakam Aina, MLA Ngursung Lar Sanadenala, Kuki Zomi Mar nomenclature Gajili, Godoma Jihira. Mar identity Mazang Kami Derm, La platformly Sanadena, Mogodoma Jihira. Inclusive Gasa terminology Shigajinli, Kagodom MLA, LM Khaudenala, Kuki Zomi Mar the Gazatna Jamai Twira the Hanga. Tamenglong we Kuung Juko Chiribam District Li Zangmi Howard, Maramji Yangsang Kawai Tausem Area Students Organization, Tazona, Pemtang Manipur Chief Minister Endurance Singli Memorandum Bisang Haira. Tazo President Nehemia Daime Nagahang, Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, Marsek na Survey Salaga, Tausem Subdivision we Kuung Juko, Chiribam District Li Incorporate Sami Howard Ji. Hangda Klay Kuung Bingji, Mugdokal, Dadbung, Paidol, Kamranga Khasi, Ngamun Pai, Kampozol, Kedagar Khasi, Kedagar Migir Hibing Hina. Kuung Bingji Tamenglong District we, Tausem Subdivision we Azingli Zangrana the Taso claim Sahira. Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, Marsek na Yek Shock Map China, Yari Ningli Sazang Sakhaira Gala, Yari Limangasan la, Chitata Tausem Subdivision Villages we, Tulep Quick by Bangshap Malay Manada, Tasona Hanghaira. CM Nagata Kaina, Yang Sang Mida Kuung Jikoji, Tamenglong District Map Lizang Sakawai Bo Haira. Abam Chili Law and Order Zakashima Shokawai Takta Yang Sang Kami, Tasona Bo Haira. Manipur abam ngadadai dali MSP DCL na rate gazadli power league sang tumrada aka tukui haira. May electric power leasing da clay pasho kawai rate ajahon tang ina zat pok haira. Maram hiwibang MSP DCL Executive Director Technical na Circular Mishoka. MSP DCL Review New Divisions we DGMs kala SC Manager Psychorina kachichawi abamli extensive rate maninga ka disconnection hapo kawai jijumia. Power leasing, kali bypassing, hooking or payment magasazang the illegal consumption, authorized magasa power connection quickasa bingli, Electricity Act 2003 we atishured Dundee Barra Jihaira. Electricity Act 2003 atishured outstanding dues kale, HT or LT consumers pingwi power supply la disconnect sami haura jia. Rate Gasagala, disconnect Gasaji, Manipuri Abam Saikoruli, Ajahon Direct Maguda Kaniwe na Hapok the Jiwi Reports, Commercial Section Corporate Office Li, Tang Misang Kawai, Hanghaira. IFP Bao Tishurda, Rate Gazadli Kakching Division Chong, Power Bill Makami Case Madi, Bishnupur Division Dila Jigata Case Tara, Tabal Division Ligutum, IED Duli Shini, IED 3 Way na Madigala, Churachandpur Division Area Way na Aka Sampangaji. May Lisang Gasa, La Bill Mashan Gasa Bingwi Lines, MSP DCL Nagadat Mi Pokaira da Hanga. Manipur Lake Kalay suspension of operation agreement Ligazang, Kugizo insurgent groups Bingwi Tungli, Haiga by Crown Rules, Union Ministry of Home Affairs na review Sadale. Su agreement G 2008 we na Kalayna. The Hindu about Shurda, Tambak districts Ngalem Lake, Su Games Bingji, Kapung Shong Zang made the Hongwa Kawai, Union Shokana proposed Saya. Maram Himakujang, Home Minister Amit Shah na Tanda Manipuri Security Situation Review Kasag Ziblila, Ngasana da Hanga. Kugizo Insurgent Groups we member A.K. Mishra, Advisor Northeast, Ministry and Intelligence Bureau official sangda Crown Rules ng San Kawai, Pay Directorada Jikowe na meeting kutumshi bamhaira da hanga. Bao Tishur da Su Groups we kaders Tinkani Shakani gada Manipur we designated games Tarada Madili, Pandalayaji. La Luida Ajiwe Kamadaya Baobing. Assam Sarkarna District Madili Manipuri hi Associate Official Language sada recognize sa kawai propose sa haira. Manipur Chief Minister na maya khangai phongshok haira. Nepal Shankar Amjad kasa Indian Thrada Madi bus accidentally thi haira. Ajiwi bao hiling jangaira bao nada klein tum cycle really ring a pagalak mahaya zimi shong sa serano.